Give thanks to the Lord, His love is everlasting. Give thanks to the Lord, His love is everlasting. They who sailed the sea in ships, trading on the deep waters, they saw the works of the Lord and His wonders in the beast. Give thanks to the Lord, His love is everlasting. His command raised up a storm wind, which tossed its waves on high. They mounted up to heaven, they sank to the deeps. Their hearts melted away in their flight. Give thanks to the Lord, His love is everlasting. They rejoiced that they were come, and He brought them to their desired heaven. Let them give thanks to the Lord for His kindness and His wondrous deed to the children of men. Give thanks to the Lord, His love is everlasting. Give thanks to the Lord, His love is